Yo, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to teach you a really nice color change called the No Palm color change by Dai Vernon. Now I have taught this color change before, but I didn't teach it on my channel. I taught it on somebody else's channel a while back ago. But we don't have to worry about that, so I'm going to teach you it again on this channel with a really nice sort of control and presentation you can apply to it. Let's get into it. Alright, so here's how this thing looks. So you can have somebody just pick a card, say stop anytime, stop right there, take a look at your card, I will not look, and go ahead and give the whole cards a mix. So they do that, they can give them their best shuffle that they want. Now we know that your card is somewhere in the middle of the deck, just somewhere, nobody can really know for sure. Honestly, is your card on the bottom? It's not good. Is your card on the top? It's not perfect. Your card is definitely somewhere in the middle of that deck. Now watch. Focus on your card. As I wave that three of clubs there, watch what happens. Slowly. Looks like your card, the seven of diamonds. Alright, so here's how you do this. It's pretty simple to do, but it will take a little bit of practice, okay? So what you need is a key card, and by key card I mean a marked card. And very simple to make, one of my favorite things to use because it's so effective, which is the whole theme of my new upcoming book, Sharps and Swindles, okay? So you'll just take a pencil and make a mark on the white corners here, and then with the same thing on the dot side, just rub a bit of pencil on the edge of the card to make an edge mark. Alright, so it's pencil dotted and edged mark, and that is a card that you will force by your favorite means. I like to just use a casual dribble force. I can get in that position by doing a jog shuffle. Now whenever I do this, I like to grab from the bottom maybe a third of the deck. That way I have a bunch of cards to dribble. Alright, so I take some cards from the bottom, maybe about a third, run one on top of that force card, and then shuffle off like this. So now I have a good in jog above that force card, about a quarter down from the top. Now I just lift up on that in jog with my thumb, catch the break, and now I'm holding a thumb break, and it helps with the dribble force if your thumb is close to the corner there. Okay, so dribble the deck, have them say stop anytime. Once they do, you'll just stop right at the break. Alright, so you show them the card, and at this point, since this force card is the key card, you can be very fair about it and have them shuffle the deck. Alright, so if they take the deck, they give it a good shuffle, and it doesn't matter how much they shuffle because you'll always be able to locate the card from a face down deck using your markings, okay? So you can glance down at the side of the deck and just quickly locate the approximate position of the card. You can see the edge mark, the little pencil dot on the edge of the card here. So in the action or in the guise, in the demonstration of saying your card could be anywhere in here, you're just going to cull the card to the bottom of the deck and you'll see it. You want to spread in a way that you'll just get to it quickly, okay? So you're not doing this, your card could be anywhere. You're not scanning the cards, you're just pretty much doing a block push off of all the cards. Roughly, you're just estimating here above that key card. So I'm doing a huge block pushover so I can quickly get to my key card, and I've just done it. It's right there. So when you do that, so your card could be anywhere, you're just going to cull the card, okay? So when you get to it, your card could be anywhere, and just cull that bad boy to the bottom. In this deck, nobody can really know for sure, but when you're still in the spread condition, say, look, is your card on the bottom of the deck? Just take the top card off and show them it. Say, was your card the bottom card? They say no, and it's going to look like you put the card back on the bottom, but really it goes under, or above in this case, that cold card, which will now be the bottom card. So one more time in the process, you're here. We'll just do this again. Your card could be anywhere in this mess. Honestly, was your card the bottom card? They say no. As you put it back, slip that right on top of that cold card as it goes to the bottom. At this same moment, you say, look, is your card on the top? They say no. And this looks very fair. You're showing them the top and bottom card, but it serves a purpose also, which is neat. And your card could be anywhere in this face-up spread. And I like to pinch the cards at the lowermost corner like this and sort of do a riffle with my thumb. Fingers at the bottom, thumb at the side. Your card could be anywhere. That way, it's a very easy transition to just flip the deck over like this. Your card could be anywhere, and then you turn the deck over and keep the deck sort of neck-tied so you don't flash your card, obviously. So now, your card could be anywhere. Do me a favor, focus on your card, and as I flip it over, for the change, you want to have, it helps, it makes it easier if that card is in-jogged, okay? So what I do is, as I turn it over, I just use my fingers here to just in-jog that card a little bit, okay? So, but you want to keep this neck-tied. Now, since you already showed them that bottom card, everything will look as it should, because you're going to do this. Just focus on your card, and as you come over to sort of wave over the deck, you just take the heel of your hand here and just pop that card up into your hand. It's not you're not going to like palm the card. All you're doing is popping the card up, and it's going to be pinned between the deck and your hand, just like this. All right, so you're here like this, come over, just focus on your card, and that's just being, you can wave your hand very freely like this. And if you want to get it even deeper in your hand, you can even spread your fingers like this, just like that. But that's just being pinned between the card, your hand and the deck. So just focus on your card, blah, blah, blah. As I wave, you'll see something strange start to happen. So just make one more pass over the deck, and then their card has changed. It's changed it to their card. And the way to really make this look good is how I just showed you like this. Focus on your card. Now as you go over to do one more wave in front of the deck, keep and come back down like this. And then their card has changed magically. Now, again, you're here, boom, come forward, boom, like that. Alright guys, so as always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video. It means the world to me, and if you learned something new, if you got value from the video, do me a huge favor, hit the like button, comment down below, share the video, hit subscribe, all that good stuff. Till next time, happy practicing. I love you guys.